What are probiotics? Probiotics are living organisms, optionally promoted with promises that they offer certain health advantages when eaten, usually by enhancing or restored the normal gut flora. Probiotics have been considered generally safe for consumption, although can occasionally lead to undesirable side effects and bacteria-host interaction in very rare cases where the organism is over-indebted. The most common types of probiotic organisms are Lactobacillus acidophilus, Bifidobacteria, and L. bulgaricus. Most take advantage of the opportunity to make use of probiotics by consuming yogurt and other dairy products that contain them. Other people prefer to purchase them in capsule form to take in their desired form. What are the properties of probiotics? Their effect on the human body is to replenish the depleted flora in the gut so that the normal bacterial population can be restored. This happens by introducing some microbes from the normal environment of the GI tract into the bloodstream. This restores the beneficial bacteria balance in the GI tract. Many beneficial probiotics have anti-inflammatory properties. This is because they inhibit the synthesis of cytokines, which are primarily what stimulate the immune system into a hyperactive state. The gains of probiotics go beyond the restoration of the normal flora in the GI tract. Probiotic foods and supplementation are now being used in many health-related programs to enhance or restore the health and wellness of the skin, the intestinal tract, the cardiovascular system, and even the neurological system. This has led to the identification of some probiotic strains that may even have a role in protecting against the development of Parkinson's disease. These studies are preliminary and require further investigation. However, these studies have brought forth the potential benefits of probiotics to an increasing number of people who depend on them to maintain a healthy digestive system. What are probiotic strains? The answer may surprise some people who have never heard about these strains. They are actually some of the most powerful anti-obesity agents that you can find. When taken with anti-inflammatory foods or supplementation, they can help reduce the risks of developing a wide range of stomach and intestinal side effects such as diarrhea, constipation, indigestion, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. As mentioned earlier, some strains of probiotics inhibit inflammation while others suppress it. Generally, it is recommended that you take a recommended dose as advised by your doctor every day. Although this can vary depending on your individual immune system, the recommended dose for most individuals is usually between 1 and 3 billion colony-forming units, CFU, per day. There are many ways that you can make sure you are getting the full recommended dose of probiotics each day. The best way is to choose a food that contains live cultures, like kimchi, or a fermented drink like kefir. Kimchi is a traditional Asian food that contains a large number of strains of Lactobacillus acidophilus, which is the species responsible for maintaining the health of the beneficial bacteria in your digestive system. In addition, kimchi contains lots of other beneficial microorganisms like green onions, ginger, garlic, sesame seeds, and white wine. If you want to get the most benefit from kimchi or other fermented foods, then make sure you use them in the purest form, without added sugar or vinegar. Probiotics also provide additional benefits for your digestive tract. Some research suggests they may even help reduce the incidence of antibiotic-induced diarrhea. This is because probiotics seem to kill or prevent the growth of harmful bacteria in the digestive tract while encouraging the growth of helpful ones. They are not the only ingredients necessary to promote beneficial bacteria growth, but some studies have suggested that supplementation is essential to acquire these important microorganisms. The best probiotic companies recognize the importance of using culture techniques to obtain the best results. They therefore strive to develop products with the highest concentrations of beneficial microorganisms. These products will often have one or more added ingredients that promote the growth of the selected bacteria. Some of the most common ingredients in the best probiotic products include FOS, BCAAs, and L-glutamine. To learn more about the best probiotic companies and the most effective products on the market, please visit the website listed below. What are the benefits of probiotics? Probiotics are both good for your digestive health and help prevent infectious diseases. Probiotic supplements can be found in health food stores as well as most drugstores and even supermarkets. The most common type of probiotic supplements is available as a powder or capsule form. What are the benefits of probiotics that make them such a popular supplement? The primary benefit of probiotics is that they contain beneficial strains of good bacteria. Usually these good bacteria are referred to as Lactobacillus acidophilus. These strains of microbes are typically found in the digestive tract where they help regulate the production of digestive enzymes like lactose, cholesterol esters, and short fatty acids. Additionally, some strains of good bacteria are able to inhibit or destroy the harmful types of yeast that colonize the intestinal tract and cause inflammatory bowel diseases. The second benefit of probiotics is that they suppress the growth of harmful bacteria in the gastrointestinal tract. Many studies have demonstrated that when probiotic bacteria are added to the diet, it helps to enhance the immune system and enhance the health of the gastrointestinal tract. The suppression of harmful bacterial growth may account for the decrease in diarrhea, irritable bowels, abdominal pain, nausea, and other inflammatory conditions. It is also believed that the addition of probiotics may aid in the prevention of carcinogenic potential. For instance, some evidence suggests that the addition of Lactobacillus reuteri, a strain that occurs naturally in the body, reduces the risk of colon cancer by as much as 50%. The third benefit of probiotics is that they can increase the availability of dietary fibers. Some evidence suggests that an increase in the availability of dietary fiber is related to lower risk of colon cancer. Probiotics are capable of increasing the numbers of helpful bacteria, reducing the levels of harmful ones, and increasing the levels of both good and bad bacteria. Adding probiotics to the diet may therefore aid in the management of both inflammatory and allergic disorders. The fourth benefit of probiotics relates to the promotion of healthy intestinal microorganisms. Probiotics are capable of promoting the growth of beneficial intestinal microorganisms, which are known to promote the regulation of cholesterol and blood sugar levels, inhibit the growth of tumor cells, and suppress the growth of inflammatory bowel diseases such as Crohn's disease. The increased availability of beneficial microorganisms in the intestine may also help prevent the development of food allergens. This includes the transfer of food allergens from one individual to another during the consumption of prepackaged foods or beverages. The many health benefits of probiotics are based on the fact that they support the growth of different species of the good bacteria within the intestine. This results in the enhanced immune function, the maintenance of normal intestinal microorganisms, and the prevention of various forms of intestinal infections. These benefits of probiotics make them useful for the management of a wide range of inflammatory bowel disorders including irritable bowel syndrome and ulcerative colitis. They also support the treatment of more serious conditions such as Crohn's disease and inflammatory bowel disease.